I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin pullback. We talked about this August the 18th. It's all about to happen. Make sure you're on the winning side. This break to the downside, we had these downside targets. Talking about a double bottom would be a good idea for, you need a confirmed bounce, not just a visit of that level. You need a falling wedge, right? That would be a great idea for a reversal and to add more Bitcoin, right? We talked about a higher low would be bullish idea. A lower low would mean lower price out of Bitcoin altogether. You need to understand how these trends work, how this price action works. I can teach you how to do this. Look, Bitcoin, completely devastated. This is a weekly candle. The bulls need the 200 SMA back, or this right here was an epic bull trap. You've got to counter trade the bull traps. You will make a tremendous amount of money because most of the market's trapped right here. They were long, waiting for $28,000 Bitcoin. But because of the break to the downside, they're trapped. And a lot of times they get punished. So you need to see the bulls need to do some buying. You've got to, obviously the weekly candle doesn't close till tomorrow, but this is a very bearish giant red candle. That is not good for Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance. And I said, hey, altcoins can take a hit on a strong bounce. This is the best way to time the market as far as a move out of Bitcoin. You got bullish divergence and a falling wedge. 60 said Bitcoin dominance hasn't broken out yet. This will help you time the Bitcoin move. Significant Bitcoin price moves. Bang. Did we see yes, we saw a significant Bitcoin price move. You've got to use these charts. They're right in front of you. Trading is not difficult. It's just new. You've got to learn these ideas, and I'll help you put them all together. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, the McLaren dealer, sent the rep to his house to deliver his new McLaren. He said, I made millions of dollars. I'm a multi-millionaire again because of you. This person, 270% gains on an ADA short. He said, Chris, I've been trading these bulls and bear traps and they've been changing the game. Continued success. He's up to 6 figures. This person, he put $400 in a Kucoin 2 weeks ago. He's up to $6,800. Gem pick bangers. These over here, all these setups are from the last 48 hours. All these green, golden goodness bangers. 65%, 46%, 42%, 110, 90, 64, 60. If you are in the right coins, it doesn't matter which direction the market moves. A lot of these are short coins. It's just as easy as buying an altcoin. You hold the short coins and there's no liquidation price. You can make a lot of money, you can lose a lot of money. But the main thing is when the price action breaks to the downside, you're making money while everybody else is losing. Given 60% off and an additional $100 discount to get you in the group today. I've had so many people rejoining the group and joining the group because of the discount. So we're going to continue that. Can help you. I'll change your life forever, period. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. You've got to be a wolf. You can't just sit by and wait for profits to fall into your lap. This is Ethereum. I talked to you guys about it on August the 18th. Talked to you guys about this 2 days ago. It's all about to happen. We talked about if Ethereum breaks to the downside, you're looking for $15.99, $14.37. The gift would be $1,244. There's a ton of FUD with Ethereum right now. I'll talk about that at the end of the video. Make sure to stay tuned for that. But again, you've got to make sure, watch these videos, subscribe to the channel. I will help you make a ton of money. Ethereum hit the measured move perfectly. Look, how do you establish the measured move? It's the distance of the open end of the pattern, right? Here you go, measured move. It's there. It's bouncing. You've got a double bottom on the RSI. You could get a bigger bounce out of Ethereum. Ethereum's got a ton of news, hopefully, coming, but there's definitely some doubters based on what we're about to cover at the end of the video, so make sure to stay tuned for this. Why did the whole market dump? Because of the stock market ran up here and hit this resistance level, got rejected. Bitcoin followed. It's like a waterfall effect. Use multiple charts, multiple time frames, multiple strategies, and you will increase your odds. It's like going to Vegas, but you're able to count cards. Going to win more often than not. You're not going to win every hand, but you're going to increase your win percentage. If you use these exact chart, ES1, right? This S&P 500 E-mini futures. It's open after hours, a lot of times through the week. And so it gives us a good read on what Bitcoin's going to do. The largest Ethereum miner, Ethermine, has stopped processing Tornado Cash transactions. So they're no longer processing blocks that include Tornado Cash. They're creating censorship at a protocol level. So people, the ETH developers, are freaking out a bit. Everybody says, oh, we have this hope of decentralized, open, free internet, and this is in jeopardy. Ethereum's mining pool, Ethermine, they're not producing blocks that contain Tornado Cash transactions, right? There's all these sanctions, and this is at a protocol level. Everybody gets all super hyped up for decentralized everything. But the bottom line is these governments can step in and do their best to stop decentralization. So scalability is tough if you're too decentralized. The less decentralized you are, the easier it is to scale and improve your speed, processing power of the blockchain. It's all about finding a happy medium, and there's things that need to be developed as far as Ethereum goes, implemented, sharding. There's so many ideas that are going to continue to be developed in this market, but how will the government's interaction, limitations, and now sanctions, they're making it illegal for any US entity to interact with the protocol. Now Circle blacklisted USDC on the Ethereum network so that any holder who interacted with the Tornado Cash can no longer be able to interact with the smart contract. They froze all the USDC that passed through Tornado Cash. Now you've got DeFi protocols, Aave, Uniswap, Balancer. They're introduced an API from TRM Labs, which disabled the front end of decentralized applications. Essentially, they're banning addresses sanctioned by OFAC, and this is happening at a protocol level. Aave reportedly restored access to addresses that had been dusted with 0.1 ETH by a hacktivist who was attempting to highlight one of the critical issues as far as adhering to sanctions. And so there's all this FUD in the market right now about Ethereum. Obviously, you have a proof of stake merge coming, and the developers aren't very excited about this. And so we definitely have to pay attention to what happens and how this interacts with the proof of stake merge that's upcoming in about 3 weeks. Again, governments, everyone wants the purest decentralized finance. They want the purest decentralized blockchain, but these governments can get in the way. They might not be able to absolutely stop things. Their government interactions will change the way the crypto space works. So understand that this is not above the law. These blockchains and these projects, they've got to adhere to these policies, and this is going to be just another hurdle that we have to deal with in crypto, and we continue to deal with hurdle after hurdle after hurdle. And so make sure watch this channel. I'll keep you updated as far as everything goes on the Ethereum proof of stake merge. As like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.